Um, here's another video. I already have the Halloween site. As this. Where is? Oh my. Oh yes. Isn't in here. This. This is spooky thing. But you can get this by collecting 50 candy corn. This is the ability. This. Oh. Say display. Current special attack. Using little near. Oh my. Since their sight to deal significant damage, if the target is hit, the user recovers significantly. Okay then. It's like that one shot it. Yeah. So let's see what is the. Ooh, that's so cool. Ooh, that's so cool. Oh, that is so cool. Now this is where you can find all of these. This is the candy one. The candy. That's the candy, so they are been grinding for years. So I think that you want to know about this thing. I'm gonna make a video. I like this thing, but I could see. Let's check if the one thing is here right now, or is it? Is it gone? Wait, they actually deleted from here. They actually deleted. Maybe they don't delete. Maybe it's still in here. Oh my. Are you gonna check that one thing? Let me find. What? Where is the one thing that somebody beat the? Oh my. Yeah. Let's see if we could die to Wrangler by one shot. Let's enter. I wanna know how it's going. What? I cannot take even a single damage. I am invincible. Bruh. Now I am done showcasing that Halloween site that is useful for PvP as form of build. You must. I don't care. Let's see if I have the one thing that I need. No, I know. Wait, I know software. Wait, this is. Buo natin applause. And that is all I can say. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe and enjoy this video.